everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm Alejandra and today we're gonna talk about a word that can be tricky both in English and Spanish. This word or words are the one that we use to refer to the place where we buy or where we go to read books. So here's the thing. In English, the place where you go to read or to borrow books, it's a library, right? And that word is very similar to one in Spanish, that is librería. But librería in Spanish doesn't mean library. So, the place where you go to read books or to borrow books, the library, in Spanish is biblioteca. Biblioteca. You see the root of the word is very similar to Bible, right? So, biblioteca. This is a place where you read or you borrow books. So, then what is librería? Librería has two meanings. One is the place where you buy books. So, it's a bookstore or a bookshop. Yeah, that is librería. But librería is also a place where you buy office supplies or school supplies. I such that you also say like stationery store. Well, for that school supply store, office supply store, or stationery store, or whatever you name to this shop. The place where you buy like a calendar or all this stuff. Well, that is also a librería. Librería. So, if you buy a book, if you buy a calendar, a ruler, a pencil, a pen, or whatever, everything you buy this in a librería. But it's a different kind of store. One is the place where you buy the books, librería of books, and librería of supplies. But we use exactly the same word for both of them. So if someone tells you, ¿dónde puedo encontrar una librería? You will probably have to ask, what kind of? You need to buy a book or you need to buy something like this. So, librería, the place where you buy books. By the way, books in Spanish is libros, so librería, libros, same root. And the place to buy a school office supply, a stationery store. And biblioteca, it's a library, a place where you borrow or go to read books. So I hope this video has been useful and clarified a little this tricky word. And don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video.